Are you wondering whether your plant truly needs a full manufacturing execution system, or if simple OEE software is enough? A full MES promises everything, but most plants just need to maximize output. Let's look at the pragmatic path to a digital factory. While a full MES is powerful, it is also heavy. These projects often involve long deployments and large budgets, sometimes stalling before the shop floor ever sees any real value. Most plants need actionable answers now, not in 2 years. To find success, start where the value is. First, see the losses with real-time OEE on your lines. Second, act on them with alerts and shift reports that your teams will actually use. Third, scale into more complexity only when it pays. Think of this as the 80-20 rule for your smart factory. Most of your gains come from measuring and reducing loss. You don't need a full execution system to capture that. You just need visibility that your teams can act on, live, on the floor. Remember, fast to deploy beats feature complete. Here is proof, not theory. By using real-time monitoring instead of a full MES, one plant was able to lift their OEE on a single line from 47% to 72%. Start light, prove the value, and then scale. You can build your digital factory, one line at a time. Start with real-time OEE, where it pays back the fastest. Check out the link on screen to book a demo and subscribe for our weekly factory performance breakdowns.